How to add Facebook feed to Squarespace. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add here in some of the websites you have in Squarespace the Facebook feed. It is quite simple. We're going to use a new tool whose name is Elfsight. So I recommend you to go into elfsight.com or just check the description of this tutorial in order to get the links. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, I'm going into Elfsight. There is a free trial, so don't worry about that. I'm going to sign up free too. And I'm going to create my account with my email. Here in Elfsight, you're going to find a lot of widgets that are going to help you. Here in this case, I have a Facebook feed. But in case you don't find it yet, you have the option just to type the word Facebook here, and there you're gonna find it, okay? So I'm gonna click on it. You must select a template. There are different styles, so let's suppose I just want this simple template. Continue with this template, and all you have to do is to connect it to your Facebook. Once you have connected Elfsight to your Facebook page, it's going to appear. So I'm going to select it. This is going to load all the events and things and stuff I have there. And I'm going to publish. Now, when you want to publish something, this is going to offer you a plan to install the widget. Remember, there is a free trial, so this is good for testing purposes and development stage. I'm going to select by now the free plan. And this is going to give you the code that you must add into your website into Squarespace. So I'm going to copy the code, and now I'm going into Squarespace. I'm going to the website, test 1, and I'm going to edit. So by now I'm going to add a block, and the block we are looking for is code. So I'm going to click on it. So this is going to open the hello world code, but you just have to delete it and paste the code you receive from Elfsight. As you can see, now you have that. Now what you need to do is to edit this and place it wherever you want, change the size of it if you need it. And in that case, when you save it and publish it, you're going to be able to have your Facebook feed into the website done in Squarespace. And that's how you can do it. Look at it. There is my Facebook feed. Thanks for watching.